In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize always on display in Poco C75. Open the Movies Edge. In the last video, I have selected this always on display, so I will simply customize it by tapping on Edit. Now here you get the multiple text style, for example, style 2, style 3, style 4. I like the style 3. Now here you get the clock styles. Style 1 is already selected. Let's see the style 2. Now, here you get the clock size. For example, if you want to increase the clock size, then you can simply increase it or decrease it like this. I will simply increase it. Now, if you go in color, here you get the multiple color. For example, I want to select the red color. Here you get the color 2 and some other option you can play around it. Now, if you want to save this, then simply tap on save again. My always on display is saved. Now to apply customized design, simply tap on apply. So this is how you can customize always on display on Poco C75. If this video helps you, like this video and subscribe the channel.